Today marks a significant moment in the history of Lilongwe as we bid farewell to the old bridge that has served the city for many years. The iconic structure, a testament to the passage of time and the growth of this vibrant community, now stands on the verge of a new chapter. As the sun sets on the old Lilongwe Bridge, it makes way for progress and development. The decision to close and demolish this bridge is a step towards the future, paving the path for a modern infrastructure that will better serve the needs of our expanding city. In the coming days, the sounds of construction will replace the familiar hum of daily life on the bridge. The clatter of machinery and the rhythmic beats of progress will resonate as we witness the birth of a new Lilongwe bridge. This modern marvel will stand as a symbol of innovation and connectivity, forging new links between neighborhoods and fostering the growth of our city. As we say our goodbyes to the old Lilongwe Bridge, let us embrace the promise of the future. The demolition is not just an end, but a beginning, a chance for Lilongwe to rise to new heights. The city evolves and so must its infrastructure. We look forward to the day when the new bridge will stand proudly, connecting our past to our future.
This is now the new makeshift path. Already business is booming.
In a triumph of engineering and determination, the construction of makeshift bridges for both pedestrians and vehicles has reached its completion. The once impassable gaps have now been bridged, creating vital connections for our community. The rhythmic sounds of construction have given way to the hum of anticipation as these temporary structures stand ready to serve. These makeshift bridges symbolize not only the resilience of our community, but also the collaborative spirit that binds us together. For pedestrians, the sturdy pathways now span the gaps, providing safe passage for what was once an obstacle. The journey on foot becomes a seamless transition, allowing individuals to traverse with ease. Simultaneously, the completion of makeshift bridges for vehicles opens up new avenues of connectivity. The steady flow of traffic resumes, reconnecting neighborhoods and facilitating the movement of goods and people. As we celebrate this achievement, we are reminded that challenges are not roadblocks, but opportunities for innovation. The makeshift bridges, though temporary, stand tall as testament to the collective will to overcome obstacles and keep our community moving forward. In the chapters to come, these bridges will serve as a reminder of our ability to adapt, build, and unite in the face of challenges. The completion of these structures marks a significant milestone in our shared journey. And as we cross these bridges, let us stride confidently into a future shaped by resilience and community strength.